Home Remedies presents
4 effective ways to use onions, home treatment for cold and cough. This question is in everyone's mind. Most people treat the treatment of cold and common colds, but to cure themselves in a natural way, you can try some home remedies. According to the folk remedy, if you come down with a cold or the flu, all you have to do is slice a red or white onion into rounds. Place them on the bottoms of your feet and put on a pair of socks. Leave the socks on overnight as you sleep. In the morning, you will wake up cured of your illness. Onions for colds can prove to be a wonderful remedy for colds. Onion has many antioxidants that help protect the body from viral infections. In addition, it also has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties. Let's now see 3 more effective ways to use onion to increase immunity with cold and cough. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Number 1. Onion syrup. Onion has many ingredients that make it antibacterial. Onion syrup can prove effective in relieving colds. To make onion syrup, slice 2 onions and place them in the pot. Then add honey just to cover the onions. Allow the onion to soak and infuse for at least 10 to 15 hours and then strain the liquid from the onions. Your syrup is ready. Bottle the syrup and keep refrigerated. You can take a teaspoon twice a day. Number 2. Onion steam. Taking steam of onions opens your respiratory system and it has excellent phlegm removing abilities. For this, take an onion and cut pieces of it in hot water and boil it for some time and steam it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can get relief from cough and cold. Number 3. Onion water. Onion can also be consumed by infusing it in water. Onion water can be very beneficial for colds. All you need to do is cut some onion and soak it in drinking water for about 6 to 8 hours. You can drink 3 to 4 tablespoons of this water thrice a day for better health.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.